Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
Yes,
Go,
hello everyone.
go,
Welcome to my
go.
channel. This is Crypto DeFi Group coming to you live with updates in DeFi, cryptocurrency, passive income, and NFTs. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section below. Today, I'm gonna share with you Digital Exchange Center, okay, which launched just of recent, and show you how to buy the EM and sell EM on the exchange step by step. But before we go into all that, let's first go and see the entire market. We go through the entire market and see how coins are performing. If we begin with cryptocurrency.online, EM is leading at 14K. It's heading 15K. Wow. The market cap is 442 billion. So it is way above Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 391 billion. So this is going up, okay? And it will continue to go up because the community is going to increase according to the information available. All right. When you visit coin market cap, BTC, Bitcoin, sitting at 20K, it is leading Ethereum at 1K, okay, BNB 203. So EM is not yet here, okay? So let's wait and see EM also listed in coin market cap because this is the biggest coin ranking site in the world. So it is of value to see EM here, okay? It's of value to see EM listed here, okay? So that's how the market is doing today. And that's how the market is doing today. And remember, we are in the bear market with all cryptos down 70 to 80%, and we don't know when this bear market will end, okay? But we as investors and traders, this is the buying opportunity because millionaires are always made in the bear market. Everyone should know that. So they buy bottoms. What people do, they buy bottoms when everybody's panicking, selling their coins at a loss. So people usually buy in the bear market. That's what I always do, and other people out there. Okay, it's not good to buy at the top and they dump on you. It's so painful. So many people right now they are demoralized about the market, but that's the nature of cryptocurrencies. They are volatile. Okay, they are volatile. So anyway, we're going to look at the Digital Exchange Center. This is the EM for the EM ecosystem, launched successfully. And as I told you, they're gonna launch this time. They really launched on 5th. All is looking good in the EM world with the latest news, which we shared in the previous video. Remember, EM is to be announced. Okay, EM is to be announced publicly as official currency. Okay, or legal tender by a certain sovereign subject or nation. That's good news. That's really very good news for the EM ecosystem. 2022, this is the biggest news I've ever seen and the EM ecosystem. If this happens, this will be the best news in the EM ecosystem, and it will take EM to the next level. Okay, so they will make their decision public very soon. They said in 3 to 4 weeks we should see these people making the announcement, right? So this will awaken the entire crypto community to know about this cryptocurrency. So people will wake up and see EM, and they will start buying. They will start buying cryptocurrency EM, and EM will be increasing in value. As a result, EM holders will be increasing day by day, right? And this will create demand for EM and its related tokens on the EM chain. Remember, we have EM has its blockchain, and they have other tokens on the blockchain, which are listed on the Digital Exchange Center, as I'm going to show you, right? So let's look at the digital exchange center. Okay. So we are going to learn how to sell and buy a YEM publicly or privately. So step one, you need to be with an account. For example, let me log in with this account. You need to be with an account. So all people outside the YEM world, in the YEM ecosystem, you need to have an account. You need to have an account because it's protected by the safe zone. All right? It's protected by the safe zone. That's why you need this account. So you log in with your password and the master pin. So this is the master pin, which makes it unique from other crypto projects. So this is how you'll find the digital exchange center after logging in. Then all these crypto assets, you see, they are here. The YEM, the fiat currencies, the cryptocurrencies, the precious metals, the real estate tokens, the arts and collection projects and companies, coupons and vouchers, charitable assets. All these assets will be at the digital exchange center, but they are not yet open. Right now, we have only YEM and USDD, the US digital dollar. So you can trade YEM with the USDT, okay? So this is the YEM. If you click here, you will get your everyday money YEM, because the only asset which is listed here. So when you click here, you can buy, you can sell. Okay, there are two options here: you buy or sell. I know many people here, they would like to know how to sell. They would like to know how to sell. So when you want to sell, because to buy, you need to first get the digital US dollar. Okay, you have to first buy the digital US dollar. So let's look at the sell, how to create the sell order. So when you reach here, they tell you to create the sell order. Shall your order be visible for the public or specific PerNum only? So you have to choose. If it is public, then you come to public, right? Then you click next. Here you create the marketplace sell order. So please set a minimum price for your marketplace sales order. If the current price drops below your minimum price, your offer won't be displayed at the marketplace. So here, the minimum for YEM, the minimum value for YEM is around 14,000, 14K. So you can enter 14K, or you enter the minimum. So the minimum I would set here, because if the price goes below this price, then my order, okay, and I think it is deleted automatically in the system. So remember, guys, this is not the official tutorial for the YEM file. Are going to come with the real tutorial, okay, to show us how to go on with advertising. So whenever you cancel, you pay the cancellation fee. So you have to be careful, okay? Then you confirm with your PIN, right? So let me confirm with my PIN here. Order number, this is the order number now. Order amount 0.5, digital exchange fee. This is the digital exchange fee, okay? So let me see if my order is already there. Go to public offers. When you click public offers, you will see that the order is already there. I already made this order, so this is the order I've just put, okay? This is the order I've just put out. So whenever I try to cancel here, they'll also deduct fees for canceling this order. So you have to make sure that you put your order when you want to real sell. If you want to sell, so when you put the order. So this is basically how it is done. And let me check the marketplace and see the sell orders. If you want to see the sell orders here and buy orders, let's check the sell orders and see whether people have started putting out their orders. Wow, people have started putting out orders seriously. People are putting out orders. Orders are many here, and all these are orders which has been put out. People are selling their EM. People are selling EM right now. But this is a market. This is a big marketplace, guys. Don't get worried. This is a very big marketplace. What you should know is that they haven't done all. They haven't finished this exchange fully. Okay, they haven't opened as assets. There are so many assets which they are going to open. So when all those assets are open, all these orders will be moving very fast, in my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, these orders will be moving very fast. There's no worry. And I think I had the founder talked of putting the limit on selling orders and buying orders, because right now people are putting, they are selling, they are dumping so much. Yeah, people are dumping so much. Like someone's putting 10, some people are putting 20, this one's putting 20, some people are putting 100, right? So that is dumping. So if they bring that system of limit, they put limit on sell orders, it will be fine. So, and if you want to buy EM from here right now, you have to use the bank system. So I would advise people who want to buy, use private offers, right? You can use private. Let me show you here. Use private offers. Let me show you. Use private offers. It is very simple that way. Okay, to use private orders. For example, there's some order I made here. It was private, okay, and it is very quick. It is really quick. You just negotiate with the buyer, the seller with the buyer. You negotiate, then you make transactions. Okay, and as they told you, you have to first negotiate with the buyer for any transaction. Okay, because the moment, for example, here, if you want to create a private sale order, first negotiate with the buyer, then you come here. You say private, okay? Then you enter the PerNum account for the buyer. You enter it here and you enter the reference. Okay, for example, if I enter this PerNum 6025, let me show you this. Reference, you can say buying car or buying a shirt. Let's see. Then you click next. It's private order. So you enter the amount here. So I can say buying it at 0.01, okay, or 0.05. You understand? So I click next here. This is at current rate, then this is the value, $73. The fee, this is the fee I'll deduct it. Then here, when you come here, this is where some people are confused. You have to choose escrow service or private transaction. So if you choose escrow service, that means the buyer should have USDD in his wallet for this transaction to go through. So here it is better you use this private transaction. Okay. So please enter the condition, amount, or goods. You can enter any. Okay, you can say shirt. right? Then you click next. When you click next, this is the information which you will get here, private order, right? And 0.05, this is the amount you are paying, you are selling to the other person. Then private transaction condition, then you confirm the order. You click confirm. Then you enter the PIN. Let me show you. You enter the PIN. You enter the PIN. All right. So the private order has been created successfully. Okay, as you see here, it has been created successfully. This is the order number, offer amount 0.05. So it is very easy to do all these things, but the official tutorial is coming out, which is going to be released. So if you want to see your private orders, you click on private orders. So this is the order I've just made here. Okay, from me to this PerNum. I've sold, I've bought a shirt. This is the reference at 0.005 EM, $73. It is now open. So if I want to see more information, I come here and see all the information. So the other person, the buyer, should confirm that this order. Then I'll click release. They'll give me a release button here. I click release. Then I'll be able to release the EM to the other person. Okay, I'll be able to release this coin to the other person. So guys, it has been a long video, and remember this digital exchange, if you're not fully verified, you cannot use this digital exchange. You need to be fully verified with safe ident to use this service. Thank you for watching. Comment below what you think of this new innovation in the EM ecosystem, the Digital Exchange Center. Do you think it will boom the EM world? Let me know in the comments below. This is what I had for today. My name is Crypto DeFi Group. I will see you in another video. Peace out there. Until next time. Cheers.